Around 7 o'clock, and I was sitting down with my wife, and then the phone call came through from my groundsman saying that E Block was on fire. So I came in to see E Block fully on fire.
I was at my young son's football game at about 7 or 8 o'clock in the morning, and the wife showed me something that came up on Facebook around a fire at Mount Gravatt State School. I sent them a message to say if there's anything we could do for them, just let me know. And it didn't take them long to come back to me and ask if we could meet them out on site on that Saturday. I then sent the SOS out to my project managers.
So it was about 11:30 by the time I was here, and they basically showed me a blank lot of dirt and said, this is where we want whatever you got. So we gave them a list. We had 4 buildings, and they said, yeah, we'll take them. And sort of gave us a rough layout of where they wanted them. Did a walkout, changed it a little bit, sketched it on a piece of paper to them, literally as rough as it could be, gave it to them and got approval through that. First night it was sort of building company doing the blade piles, Fleetwood Labour was here helping. So we had chainsaws going at 1 a.m, screw piles going into the ground, same sort of time frame all the way through the night, machinery going. We had the minister and the principal personally door knocking on neighbours, telling them we'd be here late hours of the night, which 11 rolled past pretty quickly, and then we were 2 a.m, 3 a.m. We basically landed the first special education unit 7, 8 o'clock in the morning.
Sunday morning when I came in and I saw 210 tradespeople in this place, and I'm seeing buildings craned in, it got exciting then.
Tuesday morning we were sort of done by 5 a.m, setting out classrooms, making it look pretty, writing messages on the interactive whiteboard for them to come back to.
It was just amazing. We just couldn't believe how much had evolved on the grounds. It was like having new students, because the students had new things to explore, new things to see. So for them it was very exciting those first few days. And I think they were just really grateful to see their teachers and that everything was going to be okay.
To think that on Friday night there was like a blazing fire, and by Tuesday morning we're walking into school with brand new classrooms for them to learn in. Hey girls.
Yeah. A number of students from other schools have left us beautiful heartfelt messages. I think we all just feel so overwhelmed by everybody that's contributed and helped out. All the servicemen, all the tradesmen, and Fleetwood's been amazing.
The true heroes were the tradespeople and the facilities people who made this happen. They were the true heroes for me. I think that many of my students will want to be tradesmen in the future because they've seen how exciting it is and just the way they work together.
You don't really realise what you're doing until it comes to the end and you're like, wow, did we get this done?
Unbelievably proud. The sense of camaraderie and pulling together to get the job done was second to none. And I take my hat off to Alex, the project manager, Scott Matheson, the team, and our subcontractors, and the Department of Education. They were with us every step of the way.
When we go into class, we wrote on the whiteboard a bunch of emails to Fleetwood saying thank you and all that.